everyone, welcome to JXSC Eastman factory. Today we are loading, grinding and classification equipment to Nigeria for a rare earth ore processing plant. This is a very heavy-duty ball mill. The drum diameter is 2.7 meters. Drum length is 4.5 meters. The grinding capacity is 30 to 35 tons per hour. The motor power is 475 kilowatts. Here is our FG-30 spiral classifier. The spiral diameter is 3 meters. It works with the ball mill to form a closed grinding circuit to ensure the discharge size to be 17 to 80%, passing 200 mesh.